fire in the hall. Let's cook some bacon. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard grill. What I got going on for you today is we're cooking up some bacon. We're gonna make twisted bacon. I've got 1.5 pounds of Wright brand applewood smoked thick cut American pork belly bacon. That's what this is, the best stuff on earth. And I've also got some bacon sugar. My cousin Lee sent me this from Asheville, North Carolina, from the 12 Bones Smokehouse. I've used this before. What this is it's sugar with some like cayenne pepper in it. And what I'm gonna do is sprinkle it on the bacon like this. Just gonna sprinkle the bacon with that, what they call bacon sugar, which I said it's like brown sugar with cayenne pepper and some other spices. Then I'm gonna take the bacon and holding it over the other bacon, I'm gonna twist it because that stuff's gonna fall off there and I don't care as long as it falls off onto the other bacon. And we're gonna twist it up. We're twisting one up. I know that Dorado guy, he's paying attention now because we're twisting one up. He likes that. So we're twisting. See what I'm doing? I'm twisting the bacon. And now all that bacon sugar is like inside the bacon. See what I mean? Now I'm gonna do another one just because I can, and maybe you fell asleep. Maybe you're not paying attention. We're talking about bacon. We're talking about bacon sugar. We're talking about twisting one up, Dorado. I know that he's paying attention now because I said twist it up. So here we go. We're gonna twist up the bacon. It's got that bacon sugar all on it. Twisting it up. See what I mean? Yeah, let's get that twisted up. It's hard to work like this, but I can do it. Twist up the bacon. Twisted bacon. Twist it. Twist it. All right, twisted bacon. All right, I got 2 of them twisted up. Get them over here next to each other. Let me get the rest of them twisted up. We'll get that on the grill. I'll show you what it looks like when it's cooking. We're gonna make this whole 1.5 pounds of bacon twisted up like that with that bacon sugar on it. So stay tuned. Got the bacon twisted up, got it on the fire. Take about 35-45 minutes on 350 degrees to cook that all up. And then what we'll do is we'll get that in a plate and get a beer and take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Twisted candy bacon is done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug. Here's one of my, today's beer is one of my favorites of all time. This is Funky Buddha No Crusts. Funky Buddha No Crust is a brown ale with peanuts and natural fruit, which is raspberry flavoring. It's supposed to taste like a raspberry jelly and peanut butter sandwich. But what it actually tastes like is a brown ale with a raspberry flavoring. It's delicious. I love this beer. It's the perfect beer to have with dessert or with this candied bacon, which I guess you could eat the candied bacon whenever you want to. If you want it for dessert, or if you just want to just snack on some bacon, anytime you want some bacon, that's the stuff to have. Look at that twisted bacon. What do you think? Hey Rob, this is some of the best beer I've ever had. I love this beer. It's a brown ale, which I'm not really fond of brown ales, but it's got a beautiful, I'm gonna take a sniff right now. Yeah, you can smell it. It smells like raspberries. I love this beer. It's delicious. My daughter loves it too, and she's into all these crazy, funky beers. Now, this is one of our favorites. Funky Buddha No Crust, it's called. Raspberry flavored brown ale. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Ah, that hit the spot. Let's get some candied bacon in my mouth. What do you think? I think I'm gonna get this piece here. This piece looks like a likely candidate. I think I'm gonna eat that whole thing. Oh man. Pure bacon candy. And let me tell you what. That bacon sugar is delicious. It's got cayenne pepper in it. a little bit of heat. Mmm. That's the best. Let me tell you what. That's the best snack you could ever make. Oh man. That's bacon overload right there. A cayenne pepper really makes it pop. Mmm. It's sticking to my teeth. I gotta drink some beer. Babies, that's my video for this week. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked my candy bacon, twisted candy bacon. Check me out on Reddit, on Our Bacon, and check me out on YouTube, of course. And maybe I'll share this to Instagram too. Okay, babies. You know what I always say. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And this week, we cooked nothing but bacon. That's delicious. I'll tell you what. It's so sticky and good. I can't stop eating it. All right, baby. See you next week. Bye.